attached to you like a dog on a lead. Thought you were everything I could ever have dreamed of, and more than I could ever need. But you like boys, boys, boys. But you like boys, 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 and you don't like me. Always thought you looked at me differently than any other you'd see. Thought you were aching to see me in any possibility. But you like boys, boys, boys. But you like boys, 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 and you don't like me. I could be a bitch and tell you a million reasons why. Being with me would be much better than with any other guy. I could tell you I'd treat you right and never wrong. Tell you in my arms is where you belong. But I know that you can't change someone, so I'll just leave you alone. Although I wish you liked girls, girls, girls. Wish you liked girls, 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 girls like me. You could have had the decency to tell me every time I kiss you that women isn't really something that you've ever been into. Cause you like boys, boys, boys. Cause you like boys, 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 and you don't like me. You could have had the kindness to turn me down privately instead of laughing about it with all of your friends and then talking shit about me. Cause you like boys, boys, boys. Cause you like boys, 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 and you don't like me. I could be a bitch and tell you a million reasons why. Being with me would be much better than with any other guy. I could tell you I'd treat you right and never wrong. Tell you in my arms is where you belong. But I know that you can't change someone, so I'll just leave you alone. Although I wish you liked girls, girls, girls. Wish you liked girls, 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 girls like me. And I know you don't swing that way, but that won't take my feelings away. Oh, I wish you liked girls. Oh, wish you liked girls. And I know you don't swing that way, but that won't take my feelings away. Oh, wish you liked girls. Oh, wish you liked girls like me. And I know you don't swing that way, but that won't take my feelings away. Oh, wish you liked girls. Oh, wish you liked girls like me. I could be a bitch and tell you a million reasons why. Being with me would be much better than with any other guy. I could tell you I'd treat you right and never wrong. Tell you in my arms is where you belong. But I know that you can't change someone, so I'll just leave you alone. Although I wish you liked girls, girls, girls. Wish you liked girls, girls, girls. Wish you liked girls, girls, girls. Wish you liked girls, 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 girls like me.
It's not your room, it's mine, and you can't be here to find out. 'cause they're not yours. But maybe that's what you wanna do, to find someone who wants to care for you. Well, you certainly have me. And little moth, it's gonna be hard. Some things we cannot fix, some scrapes will be scars. But little moth, it's gonna be okay. No one will change you if you do not want to, and not everyone will stay. Some days you might want to run and hide, to clip your thin wings and hang them out to dry. And though this may be true, it doesn't mean you have to. Little moth, it's time to go. And I know that right now time is moving a little slow. But little moth, please take your time. You have more than you think, and you may feel like you're sinking, but I swear you will be fine.
I see you smoking on the lawn. You must be skipping class today. My heart stops for a second or two. All I want is to be near to you. Waiting for a train to come, wondering if I should call. It feels so familiar now to me, like I've heard this all before. Somebody loves you. It's been that way for a month or two. If all the lonely nights in your life piled up to block the sun, are you crying into the kitchen sink? Are you sleeping in too long? Somebody loves you. It's been that way for a year or two. I'd wait a lifetime just for a chance call you mine, for a chance to make you mine.